Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DocuSign for signing templates, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type www.docusign.com in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the DocuSign homepage. Locate the Login button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Input your password in the designated password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your email and password, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be taken to your DocuSign dashboard. Here, you will see various options including Templates, Manage, and Sign. To access the signing templates, click on the Templates. A list of your saved templates will appear on the screen. Select the template you wish to sign by clicking on its title. Review the template details to ensure it is the correct document. If you are ready to sign, locate the Sign option within the template view. Click on the Sign button to initiate the signing process. Follow any additional prompts that appear, such as entering your signature or initials. Once you have completed signing, click the Finish button. You will receive a confirmation that your signing is complete. You can now return to your dashboard or log out of your account. To log out, click your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select the Log Out option from the drop-down menu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.